Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, hands-free liftgate, backup camera, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate, keyless start. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.